What kind of fruits do your kids like? Well, I brought my kiddos, my littles here to give us that answer. So I have Dirks, Walker, and Bridger, and they are my super chefs of the family, right?
Yeah.
Right? All right. And so we have a bunch of different fruits on the table today, and we are going to try them. And then we are also going to do a little bit of a blind taste test. I want to see if you can tell the difference between a green grape and a red grape, a red apple and a green apple. You think you could do it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Whatever you want to call it.
And then we're gonna try something special. That's for sure.
Yeah,
Can you think you could tell the difference between a red and a green grape?
Yeah, because that's more tart.
Are you think you can tell the difference?
Yep.
Okay. All right, everyone, close your eyes. Don't peek. No peeking. All right, open your mouth. Open. 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 No peeking. Okay, cue them up. Don't look. What kind of grape was that?
Black. Black, whatever the dark color is.
What did you think?
Green.
What do you think?
Red. Was mine red?
Nope. Everybody had a green one. Dirks won that one. Good job. All right, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Go. Open. 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 All right, chew them up. Don't look! Dirks, you cheater! Okay. Well, what color did you have?
Red.
Okay, what about you?
Red.
Wrong! Dirks wins again! Give me a 5. You had a red grape, you had a green grape, and you had a green grape. I tricked you.
How?
I gave you the same color.
Dang it.
Yeah, you didn't even know the difference.
How? The first time that one tasted different.
You had a green grape both times. I tricked you this time. All right, close your eyes. We're gonna see if we can tell the difference between a green piece of apple and a red piece of apple. Okay.
I know how.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
The green one's
So
sour.
far, Dirks is winning, so we have to see if you guys can tell the difference. Okay, close your eyes. No peeking this time, sir. No peeking. Open up. Open up. Bridger, open up. Okay. What do you think? Green or red?
Green. Green.
Green. Green. Everybody wins. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Okay. Close your eyes. Okay.
Gonna be red.
This one is going to be, is it a red or green?
Gonna be red.
Open up. Open up. Open up. Okay. What do you think? What color?
Green. Green. Red.
Ah, wrong. You two are wrong. You were right. It was green. You had red, and you had green. You two switched it around. You can't tell the difference, Bridger. They're all good, though, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to try one more thing.
Can I do after that?
Yeah, you sure can. How about try this? This is a pomegranate seed. See what you think of that. Try that. Try a couple of these. No, you can eat those. Aren't they good? They're kind of tart. They're good, aren't they?
I don't like them. They're not
Pick
good.
them up.
Nah.
All right. How about this one? Look at this one. Take a look at that fruit. Take a look at that fruit.
Yeah.
It's got fur on it, doesn't it?
I'm breaking it open.
Look at this fruit. It has a little bit of fur on it, doesn't it?
I'm breaking
I
it.
know. These are called
Looks like a
rambutans. Rambutans. But I'm going to cut one in half, and we're going to each try it, okay? I'm going to cut yours in half.
It looks.
You going to try it? Are you going to try it, Dirks? You're going to try it, right?
I know what it
Okay, this is what it looks like when you cut them open.
Yep.
We have an outside, easily peels off like that. The white skin on the outside pops off, and then there's a seed in the middle. Are you helping me, Walker?
You gotta.
Good job.
You gotta pick the seed out.
Pick the seed out. Okay, that's your piece. Can you try that
I'm scared to eat this.
one? So we're just gonna try to.
It's good.
Really easy to peel these. I've never
It
tried
looks
them before.
like a lemon and it feels like a gum.
They're really slippery.
I got it. I catched it.
Good job.
Why isn't my seed coming out?
Okay, just push it on the side of it, and that seed will come right on out. All right, do you need help?
Is it
Can I
supposed
help you,
to
Bridget?
come out too?
Yeah, no, you can eat that part. All right, a little bit of the seed stays in there. All right, ready to pop it in your mouth? Chew it up. Chew it up. Here.
Is this brown stuff supposed to
Yeah,
stay?
you, you can eat it. Here, take a bite. They're good, aren't they? You like it?
No.
These are really good. They kind of taste like a gummy bear, don't they? That was a fun taste test. Which was your favorite thing on the plate?
The green apple.
The green apple? What about you, Bridger? You like these the best? The rambutan, rambutan?
Yeah.
How about
Yeah.
you? What's your favorite?
Like
These kind of taste like gummy bears, don't they?
You.
You'd rather have, how about you have this,
Yes.
you have this, and you have this. And that's what's for supper.